In this lesson, we'll talk about how to multiply a polynomial by another polynomial. So this time, when we multiply, each factor will have more than one term. In this example, I have two terms here and two terms here. The good news is that this works exactly like multiplying a monomial by a polynomial if you treat each term separately. So what we will do here is we will distribute the x and then we will distribute the 3. So here we go. X distributing to x plus 7, x times x is x squared. Then x times 7 is 7x, and we are finished with this x. Now we'll multiply the 3. 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 7 is 21. Now, if you look at our two middle terms, they are like terms. 7x plus 3x will make 10x. So we will have x squared plus 10x plus 21. Remember that when you multiply x times x, the exponents add together. But when we combine like terms, 7x plus 3x, the exponent stays the same. We get 10x. So we're distributing each term in the first parentheses to the entire second parenthesis, and we will combine like terms. And that's how you multiply a polynomial times a polynomial. Let's see some more examples. So let's multiply together each of these exercises. So for the first one, 2x plus 9 times x minus 8, we will distribute the 2x, then we will distribute the 9. Then we will see if any terms can be combined. So here we go. 2x times x gives us 2x squared. 2x times negative 8 gives us minus 16x. Now we distribute the 9. 9 times x is 9x, and 9 times negative 8 is minus 72. Now when I look at my two middle terms, I see that negative 16x plus 9x could be added together to give us negative 7x. And here is our new polynomial. Now let's multiply 5x minus 1 times 3x plus 2. 5x times 3x will give us 15x squared, and 5x times 2 will give us 10x. Now we distribute the negative 1. Negative 1 times 3x gives us minus 3x, and negative 1 times 2 gives us negative 2. We look at the two terms in the middle. 10x minus 3x is 7x. And now we'll do a two-term, a binomial, times three terms, which is called a trinomial. So the process is the same. We will still distribute the 3x, and then we will distribute the negative 7. So here we go. 3x times x squared is 3x to the third. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times 2 is 6x. Now we distribute the negative 7. Negative 7 times x squared is negative 7x squared. Negative 7 times 3x is minus 21x. And negative 7 times 2 is negative 14. Now let's look for like terms that we can combine. The 3x to the third is the only x to the third term that we have, so we have to keep that. For x squared terms, we have 9x to the second and minus 7x squared, so that gives us plus 2x squared. And for x terms, we have 6x minus 21x, that gives us minus 15x. And our constant is minus 14, and that's all we can do on this multiplication.